We work very hard to satisfy everyone, and our business thrives on the happiness of others. So when someone writes to tell us we did a great job, we love to show our appreciation by sharing their review.
My husband and I rented a townhouse in Woodbridge, and WJD was great. The staff was easy to work with. We also liked that maintenance requests could be made online. Move-out was pretty easy too, and we got our security deposit back. Great company, would definitely recommend.
Everyone we serve was new at one time, so we are always excited to speak with anyone, whether they are new or returning. Contact us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.